We had been using two separate chargers like these for our tablets, cell phones, and wireless hotspots. And then we received this one device, 2 USB port from HAVIT. So the most difficult things we have to charge are these Pantech Verizon MiFi hotspots. So although I tested it out with the Nexus 7 and Apple iPad earlier, for this video review I'm going to show it charging the two Verizon hotspots. As you see, as soon as I plugged it in, they both came on and should say charging any second now. Yep, they're both charging simultaneous. Those draw 2.1 amps apiece, so this isn't rated for quite that much. It's rated for a maximum of 3.4 amps, but I'm confident that it's doing the full 2.1 in one port and a little less than that in the other, based on how quickly it charged my Nexus 5 and the iPad earlier. It runs silently. If you have nothing plugged into it, it has a real mild hum, but that's pretty typical of even the ones from the cell phone if you listen carefully enough. That blue light on there just indicates that it's getting power, which you can also get just by touching your device that's charging to see that they are in fact charging. So again, it's solidly made. I have no complaints. It's a good way to reduce your energy consumption because having one device plugged in is more efficient than two.